it's your girl, Jau. Hey, you don't want to know why? Because you're tuned in to Jau's World. All right. So, I know this is long overdue. I promise that I will update you guys on the CLOUT PAY. Was it a scam? Did they ever pay me? Yeah, a couple of you guys asked. So, if you want to know if I ever got paid from CLOUT PAY, then keep watching. So for those of you who have not seen my CLOUT PAY video, I'm going to have that link in the description box below for you to go check that out. So go ahead, watch that first so you know what I'm talking about and catch up, and then come back to this video. For those of you who have seen it, here's your answers. So, I know I showed you guys when I was supposed to cash out. It was supposed to come on the 18th of July, and it was supposed to be the total amount of $353, which is supposed to go into my Cash App account. So like I said in the previous video, everyone was saying like it's a scam, but I still just wanted to go ahead and give it a try, just so you know it didn't hurt. It wasn't like it was hard work or anything I had to put any effort into, so it was like if I could get the money, why not? If I don't, okay, I'm in the same position I was before. Like, it didn't make or break me. So during the weeks that I was waiting to cash out, I actually did like some research on Google, and there's a website called Trustpilot, and basically that's where people can leave reviews of different companies, and all the comments were that it was a scam. It was testimonies of people that actually tried it and was scammed. There's just a lot of angry people, which I don't understand why people were necessarily angry, because you didn't really do anything to like earn the money. It's not like you worked a job and you didn't get paid. But yeah, you know, it's so many different ways people are trying to scam you. So like you took your time out and explored something that you knew could have possibly been a scam. So you really shouldn't get mad, but that's just my opinion. So everyone has their own account manager. I'm gonna have like a screen record of it at the bottom left. You can see it better on a desktop. It kind of covers, but you can see my account manager name was Taylor. So they have Taylor's Skype name information under there, so that if there's any questions that you have, I'm supposed to be able to Skype her and she should be able to answer all of those questions. So I have Skype on my desktop computer. Tried typing in her Skype name, nothing popped up. So now I'm thinking, after seeing the reviews on Trustpilot and now trying to search her Skype name, nothing's popping up. The reviews are horrible. So I'm like starting to think like I'm probably not gonna get paid. Like, I have a very strong feeling at this point that they're not going to pay and it's a scam. So they also have an email address that I'll put right here, that you can use to contact them. And as you guys can see, when I tried to email them, I couldn't. It said it wouldn't go through. So on that day, I finally checked to see if like it went into my Cash App account. Nothing. So was CLOUT PAY a scam? 100% it is a scam. Don't waste your time. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I just wanted to try it out for myself, and like I said, just like I thought, it was a scam. If it seems too good to be true, then it probably is. Nobody's just giving out money like that. So you gotta work hard for it. No way around it. So yeah, there you have it. It was a scam. Don't do it. Sorry that this video took so long. Like, I hope you guys still even give a damn about it. I did get a couple recent questions about it, so that's the reason why I even decided to go ahead and just upload it. But yeah, it's a scam. So hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll just see you guys in the next one. Bye. Siempre apunto a lo fijo, por eso estoy contigo y porque la pasamos genial.